Nestled within a tranquil suburban neighborhood lies a well-maintained garden that epitomizes sophistication and serenity. This lush outdoor space, framed by the elegant brown brick facade of a charming house, showcases a harmonious blend of evergreen and deciduous plants, creating an inviting retreat for all who visit. The house, partially revealed on the left, features expansive windows that reflect natural light, while its dark shingle roof provides a classic touch. The garden, a vibrant tapestry of greens and textures, is dominated by conical-shaped evergreen trees, including the striking blue spruce and the graceful white fir. Their dense foliage not only offers year-round beauty, but also serves as a backdrop for the exquisite array of plant life that flourishes below. Interspersed among these towering evergreens are spherical, silver-leaved shrubs that add a touch of elegance, while clusters of reddish-brown ornamental grasses introduce warmth and depth to the landscape. To the right, a small yet vibrant green plant with long, slender leaves offers a refreshing contrast, enhancing the overall visual appeal of this suburban oasis. A neat border of light brown mulch frames the garden bed, providing a clean and polished look. A narrow beige concrete path meanders through the garden, guiding visitors from the right side towards the welcoming entrance of the house. This path invites exploration, encouraging one to take in the intricate details of the carefully curated flora. In the background, tall, slender, evergreen trees stand sentinel, their presence complemented by a dense forest of mature trees that envelops the property, creating a sense of privacy and seclusion. The grass, a rich, manicured green, serves as a plush carpet underfoot, enhancing the tranquil ambiance of this serene setting. The composition of this garden is a study in symmetry and balance. The variety of textures and colors not only captivates the eye, but also evokes a sense of peace and harmony. Bathed in the bright light of a sunny day, this garden scene emerges as a true testament to the art of landscaping, a serene suburban garden oasis that embodies the essence of evergreen elegance.